You guys have to see this. It's like raining so hard. It's like the street is like the river. Oh my gosh! Can't even focus right. Oh my gosh! It's raining so hard. Whoa! 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 Where? It's like, oh my gosh! It's like the whole freeway is flooded with water, and my dad just turned on the heater. Oh my gosh! It's like so cool. Never seen this much rain. Only the time it hailed. Finally, and then the water's gonna freeze in the mountains, and we're gonna go to the snow.
Watch the rain come this way. Towards us.
What?
Wait for the wave to hit us. Get one too?
So okay.
Huh?
Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome.
When I got married,
Awesome.
I got married about 3 years ago. When I got married,
Okay, it's really
It's raining like
It's raining over there, but it's not raining over here.
so
That's here. This is Bell Garden.
I won't have
And we live in
we'll just go out to eat all the time.
California.
I'm
This is
definitely not gonna have
California.
I'm gonna hire an office. And then I'll win the lotto, so I won't have to be stuck to this thing called a budget.
well, unless I beat the
The
rain.
creepiest thing you would ever
You
see.
know what I learned 3 years later? I am delusional.
Unless I beat the rain.
That's an action. Uh-oh. And it gets sucked right here.
Oh my gosh, if anything, the whole life because the child like I would help change her.
Look, I crashed. Hey.
I'm gonna have a cake and my thighs are gonna touch. But you know, I'm delusional. And the only thing that pierces delusion is
Not a long way from church. Not a long way from church.
Don't waste your mom's memory next time.
Huh?
Don't waste your mom's memory.
This one doesn't erase my memory. I got a special recording thing.
reality is clear. Things for me are not as they seem. The global context, things are not as they seem. Today, 2013, million slaves across the globe. Big baby. Every 30 seconds, someone is slumped into the slave trade industry, where people are.
It's not raining.
This is going on. It is literally every country, on every continent, in every economic place. The first time I heard about trafficking, I was like, oh, this is so sad. I'm so glad for sure it is a better realize that it's not for other people's shit, but for those people's shit, or for that church who loves Jesus. To understand the heart of our Father is to understand His heart for justice. So, this is not a crime that
Look at that.
in that
Everyone's here.
country or that country. This is happening here in our own
Not even
country.
Steve.
Here in the United States. This is
Yeah. Here.
every year we're going to put 1,000 people into the internet, into this country legally. And
Wow.
those are not the ones. There's thousands who are being sucked into the slave trade.
Wow.
In our culture, there is a pervasive over-sexualization of women throughout the world. 65% of child pornography in the city of Los Angeles. So much comes out in our
Whoa.
It's putting together research for the message here
Really
today.
wet.
I did there are 4 adult entertainment stores. There's 9 gentlemen clubs, and there's numerous massage parlors.